Once you've completed your presentation, you can go ahead and print it if you'd like to use it for practice or provide a copy to someone. And it's really easy to do. You just click File in the ribbon to open the home menu, and then you can go ahead and select the print option. This is going to open that print dialog menu, and you'll have a few options available. So in the printer field, it's going to show the printer that you last used. So in this case, someone saved a document to PDF instead of printing. That's an option here in the printer menu. If you just click on that drop down, you'll see you can select that, and it's actually just going to save your presentation as a PDF file. So it's another way to do that. But usually you're going to select a printer, so I'm going to select my printer there, and then you can set some settings before deciding to print. So right up at the top, you can select the number of copies you'd like to print. So if you'd like to print more than one copy, you can go ahead and designate that there. And then down in the settings section, you can select some specifics. So it defaults to printing all slides, but if you only wanted to select certain slides, you could print either the current slide that you're on, or you could select a range to make sure that you're only getting exactly what you want. You can also select how you want the slides to be printed. So you could select full page, or the notes page, or the outline view if you'd rather that. Or you could also select to have multiple slides printed on a page in more of kind of a handout view. You can also set whether it should be collated or uncollated, and also the color or the color of the document. So you could print in grayscale or black and white or color. Once you're all set, you just hit the print button and it will print your document to the printer you selected.